What do I have to say?
So we are here early, and my brother's staring at me behind the camera. And I'm reading Great Gatsby.
It'll be okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I made it to my cabin, so surprise, surprise, we're not actually camping. And look at my bag. I lifted this all the way. One is tiny light. That is really scary. The cabin. I guess I'm with 3 other people. There are like 2 bunk beds. Okay, I'm gonna set up my beds now. The theme for this youth camp is onward. Onward we go.
No, you didn't. I didn't like the What do you think the time will be, like when the lights are out?
11? What? It says lights out are 11, but we'll probably stay till 11:30. Yeah, they know we're night owls. Oh, look, there's a shadow.
No, bro, no. Hold up.
We need like the photo, taking a photo.
Yeah, because we're weirdos.
What the heck? It doesn't even look good.
It looks so good. So stupid, guys.
No, it doesn't.
It looks better in person.
Yeah, it looks better in person. Sorry.
Did they really leave me? What if I was an orphanage? I hear you laughing. It was out there! I want to say hi.
You want to be high? No, do you want to say hi?
Hey guys, me and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing a mukbang. We're gonna be.
Oh yeah, we are though. This is the food situation. It's not focusing, which is kind of good because then it won't see our morning faces.
Oh no.
Can I say good morning? I just want to like
Whack.
Oh yeah, by the way, she has a YouTube channel, so go subscribe to her.
I will have a YouTube channel, but I can't really vlog because like
Because they took our phones away.
So,
And it's
like,
actually
I don't really know
really...
what to do.
For the whole weekend.
No, we're gonna try and sign a petition. I'll link Carryl's channel down below.
Can you teach me how to do that?
Yeah. Okay, you're welcome. I'm using my camera as a mirror.
In this town, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was.
That's all I know.
In this world. We're just gonna keep repeating in this world.
No, it does repeat though, so we weren't wrong. As it was. Where's my...
I don't wanna talk about that. Oh, so cute, bro.
Thank you, bro.
So cute, bravo. It's so cute. Can you buy me one?
It's
Yeah,
fine in it.
do you want some?
Yeah. Are you the pink or purple sister?
What?
I'm neither.
Honestly, I'm a blue sister. I don't know. I just
I'm
am.
just the purple.
I
I'm
just
the pink.
am.
I mean, not the purple or the pink. I'm not purple or pink.
We're ready now. Now I can film you guys because now we're actually ready.
Already. Hey.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. So I just finished eating lunch. Yeah, it's been a long day. I don't know if I got a lot of footage because I don't really like to film during the sessions because they're pretty serious. Not really serious, but like it's like not a place where you can like just video it, you know what I mean? Having a good day so far. The talks are really hitting deep, but it's good. That's what this camp is about. Hey guys, this is the later fit. Basically there's this event in our youth camp called E-Night. By the way, it's like evening, it's like dark out. Basically the theme for this camp's E-Night is disco, so we're all like colorful neon clothes. So for now I'm gonna wear this dress, which is what I'm gonna wear for E-Night, but I'm gonna wear a black jacket and like not show off what color I'm wearing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, finished. This is the fit. Let's go eat some dinner. No, it's okay. I have a bow. Wait, can't see your whole fit.
I also need to put your fit. Hold on.
Okay, I feel like Chrissy, but I'm not.
Yes.
Leather. I'm not gonna say where anything's from because I don't know where anything's from.
Ow! I'm gonna fall! Ow! Sorry.
That makes me feel like JoJo Siwa, but
Yeah.
also Chrissy.
Yeah, she's like,
she said?
it feels like the 90s.
From
80s.
Scooby Dooby Doo down.
Oh, Velma. No, you have to put on your glasses.
Yeah. But no, do you see my eyeliner?
Oh yeah, she did her eyeliner.
Slade.
My cousin,
Eliza.
stall, like I don't even know. We have glow
It was
sticks.
so fun. It was actually pretty bright. It was me so much
And that
fun
matches
memories.
too.
Yeah, as a child.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at it, like Casey. Why is he built different? Casey.
Well, because he's legit a trash guy.
I was like, you're a minion.
No, I'm not a minion.
Oh.
Yellow.
What's the first song?
This game we were playing was called Jukebox, and we basically split off into groups and they say a word. For example, in this context, the word was you, and the group has to find as many songs as possible that have the word you in it. I know it sounds so simple, but in the moment it's just really stressful and you just like forget about every single song that you know that obviously has the word you in it. And basically this clip that I was filming was like basically the finals. There were only 2 groups left, so we always alternated songs. Yeah, so we alternate singing songs that say you until a group like runs out of songs. So there's a lot of off-key singing.
I love you 3000.
How about this one? It's the most stressful thing ever.
I told you we always win. The hard work pays off. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
Oh yeah.
This was an ultimate rock, paper, scissors game where if you lose, you go behind the winner's team. And somehow I had won every single round. So a bunch of people were like in my team who had like lost basically. And this was like the second last round.
5 minutes? My warm and fuzzies.
Okay, so it's actually raining right now, so I'm using my phone because I don't want my camera to get wet. Oh my gosh.
Our last meal of the camp.
Almost time to go. My packed luggages. Been a long day. Cute rose and envelope that I got. It's so aesthetic. Look how cute.
I'm trying to open this one-handed for the camera shot. It's not working.